Welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you love futuristic electric SUVs, premium luxury, and cutting-edge technology, you're in the right place. Today we're taking a detailed look at the stunning 2027 Genesis GV60, finished in a vibrant orange exterior with a matching orange-themed luxury interior. This electric crossover continues to prove that Genesis can compete with the biggest luxury brands in the world. From its bold design and premium cabin to its impressive electric performance and advanced technology, the 2027 GV60 has a lot to offer. Stay with me until the end because we'll also discuss its expected pricing and whether it's worth buying. Exterior. The first thing that grabs your attention is the bold orange paint. It gives the GV60 a sporty, energetic personality that stands out from the crowd. Unlike many electric SUVs that look plain, the GV60 combines futuristic styling with luxury details. At the front, you'll notice Genesis' signature two-line LED headlight stretching across the fascia. The closed-off grille, unique to Genesis EVs, features an elegant pattern that improves aerodynamics while maintaining the brand's premium identity. The sculpted hood and aggressive front bumper create a confident road presence. Moving to the side, the coupe-inspired roofline gives the SUV a sleek appearance without sacrificing practicality. Flush door handles remain hidden until you unlock the vehicle, improving both style and aerodynamic efficiency. Large multi-spoke alloy wheels perfectly complement the orange body color, while black accents around the wheel arches and lower body add a sporty contrast. The rear design is equally impressive. The split LED taillights mirror the front lighting signature, creating a balanced look from every angle. A subtle roof spoiler, smooth tailgate, and clean bumper design highlight the futuristic styling. Every curve has been designed to reduce air resistance while enhancing visual appeal. Whether you're driving through the city during the day or at night, the orange Genesis GV60 attracts attention everywhere it goes. Step inside, and you're welcomed by one of the most luxurious interiors in its class. The orange leather upholstery immediately creates a warm and premium atmosphere. The seats feature high-quality stitching, soft-touch materials, and excellent craftsmanship throughout the cabin. The front seats are heated, ventilated, and power-adjustable with memory settings, providing exceptional comfort during long drives. The matching orange door panels, dashboard accents, and center console create a unique design rarely found in modern electric SUVs. A large panoramic digital display combines the instrument cluster and infotainment system into one seamless screen. The graphics are crisp, responsive, and easy to navigate. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, voice control, and over-the-air software updates ensure the technology stays current. One of the coolest features is the crystal sphere gear selector. When the vehicle is turned off, it looks like a glowing crystal decoration. Once the car starts, it rotates to reveal the gear selector, adding a futuristic touch every time you drive. Rear seat passengers enjoy generous legroom and headroom despite the sporty roofline. Premium materials continue throughout the back seats, while USB-C charging ports, climate vents, and comfortable seating make every journey enjoyable. The cargo area is spacious enough for luggage, shopping bags, or weekend travel gear. Folding rear seats expand the storage capacity even further, making the GV60 practical for families as well. Genesis has equipped the 2027 GV60 with some of the latest technology available. The infotainment system operates smoothly with fast response times, while the premium Bang & Olufsen sound system delivers crystal-clear audio quality. Drivers also benefit from a head-up display that projects important driving information directly onto the windshield, allowing you to keep your eyes on the road. Safety is another major highlight. The GV60 includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, forward collision avoidance, rear cross-traffic alert, automatic emergency braking, parking sensors, a 360-degree camera system, highway driving assist, and multiple airbags. These advanced safety systems work together to provide confidence whether you're commuting in heavy traffic or traveling on long highway journeys. Performance. The 2027 Genesis GV60 is expected to continue offering multiple electric powertrain options. The dual-motor all-wheel drive version is likely to produce around 429 horsepower, while boost mode can temporarily increase output to nearly 483 horsepower for even quicker acceleration. Acceleration is incredibly impressive. The GV60 can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 4 seconds, making it one of the quickest luxury electric crossovers in its class. Power delivery is immediate thanks to the electric motors, providing smooth and silent acceleration with no noticeable delay. Whether merging onto highways or overtaking slower vehicles, the GV60 feels confident and effortless. Handling is another strong point. The battery pack mounted beneath the floor lowers the center of gravity, improving stability through corners while reducing body roll. Steering feels precise, and the suspension balances sporty handling with everyday comfort. Multiple driving modes allow drivers to customize performance depending on road conditions and personal preferences. Eco mode maximizes driving range, comfort mode provides smooth everyday driving, while sport mode sharpens throttle response and steering for a more engaging experience. Fast charging capability remains one of the GV60's biggest strengths. Thanks to its advanced 800-volt architecture, the battery can recharge from around 10% to 80% in approximately 18 minutes using compatible ultra-fast chargers. For home charging, a Level 2 charger fully replenishes the battery overnight. The expected driving range is around 300 to 330 miles on a full charge depending on the selected trim and driving conditions, making it practical for both daily commuting and longer road trips. Pricing. Although Genesis has not officially announced final pricing for every market, industry expectations suggest the 2027 Genesis GV60 could start at approximately $55,000 for the base model. Higher trims with dual motors, premium technology packages, luxury interior upgrades, and additional performance features may range between $65,000 and $75,000. Considering the premium materials, advanced technology, luxury features, outstanding electric performance, and Genesis' excellent warranty coverage, the GV60 offers strong value compared to many European luxury electric SUVs. The 2027 Genesis GV60 proves that luxury electric vehicles don't have to sacrifice excitement or personality. Its eye-catching orange exterior, beautifully crafted orange interior, powerful electric performance, premium technology, impressive charging speed, and advanced safety features make it one of the most desirable compact luxury EVs on the market. If you're searching for an electric SUV that combines style, comfort, innovation, and thrilling performance, the 2027 Genesis GV60 deserves a place at the top of your shortlist. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest car reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.